Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Well, this video was the last video we had was a positive video. This video is a little bit negative because we had a rollover, right? And let me explain to you guys what happened. Now, we talked about this head and shoulders pattern, but I'm actually going to erase this pattern because it's still valid. It still could be valid if we get a bounce up here through here, but we're going to go over all this. But until we get this move to the upside, and we get these candles and fill this right shoulder in, then it means nothing. Okay, so we're just going to delete that for right now. Okay, and then the bump and run, of course, we can't get that until we get a nice pattern. So now what are we looking at here? Well, we do have something like this going on. Let's draw this on the daily chart. Okay. Now, if you guys watched yesterday's video, you guys should not have lost any money, okay? And I'm going to talk about that, okay? And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. First, we're going to start off with Bitcoin and what could be disastrous, okay? Now, we don't want to see a daily close under this 3,300 level, okay? Because we haven't done that yet. You can see in this whole area, we've wicked it, but every time we've came back up and we closed above this area, okay? So I want to see that on the daily. Now, everything's different. I'm on the East Coast of the United States, so my daily candle will close at 8 o'clock Eastern time, okay? United States time. So that's what I'll be looking for, a daily candle closing above this. It can wick all at once as long as we get a daily candle closing above it. Okay, you can see we have the 3,100 area here for support, and we have our last line of defense. Okay, so now I did erase the buy zone too because that means nothing because we bought it on the dip, we bought it perfectly on the bounce, right? And we're going to talk about that. All right, let's see here. Let's see, was it the hour chart? Let's go to the hour chart. So when we bought this dip originally, we bought it here, okay? I told you guys, hey, take a little profits. Move your stop loss up to your buying price, okay? This is why you should not be losing these trades. And I'm going to go to example right here. Look at this, guys. This was our buy zone on Ethereum. We're going to move to Ethereum real quick, and then we're going to go back to Bitcoin. But I want to show you, just give you an example. You guys should have never lost these trades if you listened to me. This was our buy zone. Okay, we nailed it perfect, almost to the dollar. Okay, then I say sell a little bit in this area. You could have used this area. You could have sold a little bit here. Then you move your stop to your buying price. Then you could move your stop loss up as you go, or at least you made some money. And if it rolls back over and you get stopped out, you still made something. You didn't lose. You did not lose this trade. If you would have listened to what I said yesterday, you did not lose this trade. Okay, now we're going to go to Matic. Okay, we're going to go to the hour chart on Matic. Okay. Same thing, guys. This was our buy zone. We bought here. I said, hey, look, you can take a little profit at the 135. Move your stop to your buying price. Then you can take a little bit more at the 142. I did not change these levels, okay? Now, then you could have moved your stop loss to 135. All right? And then if it came back down, at least you didn't get killed. Yeah, it came back down, dipped back up. But, I mean, in the end, okay, you would have got stopped out, but you would have made money. You would have made money getting stopped out. That's the key. We don't want to lose any money. Same thing with Cardano. We bought in our buy zone. Take some profit here, guys. Move your stop to your buying price. If it comes back down and gets stopped out, guess what? You made some money. Okay? Same thing with DOT. Bought in our buy zone. Okay? It came up. I said, take a little profit in this area. All right? Move your stop to your buy-in. This is what I mean. This is why it's very, very, very important, okay, to listen to what I'm saying in my videos. I don't want you guys saying, oh, well, I lost this trade. No, you shouldn't have lost any trade if you would just listen to what I said. This is very important. It's money management. We don't want to lose trades, okay? Because this market is shaky. We got all this news coming out. There's FUD in the market. There's the death cross. Okay, so we're just trying to, make sure if we're going to trade, we're not losing money, but we don't want to miss the move either, right? So if you move your buy-in here, or even on Ethereum, say you bought this and we sold a little bit and you moved it to your buy-in price or your stop loss to your buy-in price, and say this thing just kept cranking. We don't know. No one really knows. Okay, it could have filled up our. We could have went on Bitcoin and went on a huge some news. Elon Musk could have made a tweet. All right, but this is why we do this. All right, I'm sorry. I'm going to show you this chart in a minute on Bitcoin too. But all right, so we're going to go with the Ethereum chart. We're bouncing around. I actually did have this, I think, at 1900. Okay. For some reason, I don't know why I had it at 1900, and then I accidentally moved it. But anyways, I had it up around this area. Okay. It was around this area, I believe. And then I accidentally moved it because I was shifting over here. I was trying to do this. I accidentally hit it, okay? So, but now this is our new line of support anyways, okay? So we're going to just put it there anyways now. But that's where we're at. We don't want to break this level. And then 1734 would be the next stop, right? Or can we zoom in? Let's get a little bit more accurate with it. Okay. Let's pull this down just a little bit. Right here. Okay. So 1725 area. Okay. So if we lose that, then that could be the next. I mean, it's crazy, but we don't want Bitcoin to lose any areas. We don't want to lose these areas. Okay. Matic, what do we got? Let's see. We got this on the hour. This would be a line of defense right here, right? 157. Okay. So let's see if that holds up. All right. Now, Cardano, this is if you're in it. You guys, I'll be honest with you guys. We don't want to be in any of these trades right now. Cardano, it's still holding up the 125, so we're going to keep it. We watch out for that the 105 area. Dot, we're going to do this real quick. Dot on the daily. What do we have? Dot on the daily. We have this line right here. Okay. So this would be our next line to look out for. All right. So that's where we're at on dot. Okay. But right now, guys, I'll be honest with you. We want to wait for the daily candle today. And we don't want to see this close underneath here. We want to see a daily candle close. And if we do see a daily, we want to see it shoot up and then tomorrow's daily close above this area, this 3,300 area. Because look at this. This is a key area, guys. Look at that. Okay, it's just scary if it does. We want to see it come up and close above here. Okay, so right now, I think the best thing to do is just sit on our hands and do nothing. You shouldn't be in any trades right now. If you watch my videos, you should have made profit. You shouldn't be in anything right now. You should have money on the sideline. You guys can do what you want. If you want to buy these little dips, that's fine. Okay, because no one could. We can only do what we can do when it comes to these lines and patterns, right? So right now, we need to break this line. So we need to come up and come out of here somehow, okay, to get a little bit more upside, and then have that potential shoulder fill out, okay? Have that potential shoulder fill out. So boom, boom, right? Get that other shoulder. Yeah, so we still have the death cross, which, guys, if you look at the stats on the death cross, okay, it's an up and down. I mean, this thing could go up above it. It could turn positive. This could go, because you got to remember, this is 50 days of movement. This is 200. But you got to remember, this can actually flip once we get above it and then turn into a golden cross. So a lot of people are making a big deal of it, but there is some China news out there, and I think a lot of people in China are letting go of their Bitcoins, and there's a lot of FUD in the news. So this could play a role too. So, but anything can happen. It's Bitcoin. Elon Musk can do a tweet, like I said. So let's just keep an eye on everything. All right. So that's what we don't want to see for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin gets hurt, all these altcoins will get smashed. That's just what happens. So we don't want to see that, okay? So now, what do we got? for the longer term move. Okay, for the longer term move. By the end of the week, this is now a weekly. If you guys don't know, you go to templates, okay, on TradingView, and you go to MAEXP ribbon. That's how you come up with this, okay? Now, this is a weekly chart. On the weekly, we do not want to see, and this will be Sunday. My time will be 8 o'clock Eastern, United States time, okay, on Sunday. We don't want to see a candle closing under this mark. And right now it's at 32,470 area, okay? Now, by the end of the week, we want to be above this. Now, this can come down a little bit. We can still pop above it because this will move a little bit before the end of the week. So that could, I'll keep you guys updated on this. But yeah, we don't want to see a weekly candle closing under here. Because you remember my last video, what happened. This will act as resistance, and then it could get a little ugly. All right, so we don't want to see the weekly candle closing above there. All right, so it's a little stressful what we're dealing with now. Yeah, you could have bought this. I had it at 1900. You could have bought the 1900 dip. Okay, you could put a little bit of money in. I'm not saying you guys, I just FOMOing all in at once. No. You can maybe do a little dollar cost averaging in, but I would just wait to see what happens on the daily candle close. I mean, be honest with you. But then again, you could buy a little bit if you have extra money. Hey, why not buy a little bit around the 1900 area, around this area right here. Oh wait, that's Matic. Sorry guys, I was looking at Ethereum. Yeah, you could buy a little bit around this area and move your stop a little bit underneath it. That's up to you guys, okay? This is our chart. I don't have this extender on. I got to turn that off. Let me do this over. But, yeah, so maybe something like this. You can have something like this happen. Let me get that extender off. Settings. Where's my settings? Are they not popping up? Like, what's going on here? Okay, I guess not. Oh, now they want to. All right. Take that off. Boom. All right, so let's see if we can break out of this and get back up into our zone. But this is what these are the things to look out for, guys. Hopefully you guys listened to me in the videos. You took a little profit, moved your stop loss up, and you guys didn't lose any money, okay? Now, this is a danger video. This is a warning video because we're getting close to these critical levels here that are just dangerous, that we don't want to see these certain things happen because we haven't seen it happen yet. And I don't like the unknown, okay? So, but make sure you guys follow me. Make sure you guys, I'll give you guys an update. Make sure you guys follow me on YouTube, okay? It's Moondog Trading, one word. Hit the bell and hit all, so as soon as I get these updates out, you guys can see it right away, okay? I was waiting to make this video to get more structure, but really, I mean, it hasn't done anything all day. It's just been sitting around these low levels, just up and down here. So we were up in this level, and now we're down in this level. I wanted to see if we would get some more consistency underneath the 3,300, and we haven't been able to break above it even an hour candle closing above it. So I wanted to get this video out to you guys and just, keep a close eye on everything, guys, because we are getting into the danger zone. All right. I'm not saying panic yet. Don't panic just yet. Okay. Make sure you guys follow me on my Twitter. My Twitter is Moondog at Moondog Trading 1. Okay. I have my YouTube channel link there. Also, I'm the gunslinger on Stock Twits. Okay. You can play my video and then go straight to my YouTube channel from there as well. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what's going on. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love all you guys, and I'll get this video out to you as soon as possible, and I'll keep you posted. Much love to you guys, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Peace out.